In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on or turn off three particular settings on YouTube that will make you grow fast. As you all know, on this channel we go practical, basic on practical. So let's move straight into my YouTube channel. I'm going to be taking you through this YouTube channel because I use this YouTube channel to test some particular settings on YouTube. And as you can see on this particular channel, I have 81 views on my first video. My very first video, I had 81 views, which means that I set up that channel perfectly and I uploaded the video I optimized that video very well. So I'm going to be showing you the three perfect settings that I make use of, that I turned on, that I turned off, to ensure that I get this particular views, very first views on YouTube. All right, go to your settings. Oh, sorry, I mistakenly tap on feedback. Okay, go to your settings, as you can see me doing. Come to channel, you come to advanced settings, you scroll up, you can see this place where you have auto dubbing. Auto dubbing helps you to get more views in such a way that in this video now that you're watching, I'm currently speaking English language. If this video gets to somebody who is in China, I'll be speaking Chinese. It will be automatically translated into Chinese language, so the person will be listening to my voice, listening to Chinese. Meanwhile, I already spoke English language in this video. So that's what auto dubbing does for you. When you turn auto dubbing, when you turn it on, let me show you. When you turn it on this way, please don't do the mistake of turning on manual review. Don't do that mistake. Always make sure you turn off the manual review. Now the second settings, before you can get eligibility for the second settings, this is what you need to do. You come to this place where you have feature eligibility. Make sure that these three settings, this thing is showing enabled. If it is not showing enabled, then you can't have access to this particular settings or this particular feature on YouTube. Now let me show you the feature on YouTube. Now let me take you to this particular video on my YouTube channel. Okay, now take a look at this particular video. When you turn on, or when those three things are enabled, it gives you the room to upload three different titles, three different thumbnails on YouTube. So YouTube disseminates these three thumbnails or these three titles to different people on YouTube for you to get views. Do you understand me now? So if the first title does well, like if more views comes from the very first title, then that very first title, after about I think 14 days or so, after about 14 days, then that will be the permanent thumbnail and title that will be shown to people. Do you get me now? So if one thumbnail is not doing well, the other can do well. So it helps you to get visibility, it helps you to get views. And the third one I would love to speak about is playlists. If you have not created playlist on your YouTube channel, then you are joking, because at the end of this video now, you will see suggested video that will pop up at the end of this video. The reason is because I created playlist, and YouTube is trying to let you know, or YouTube is trying to suggest videos from my playlist that you might be interested in. So now when you watch this video completely and you see another video that you are interested in from my particular channel, meaning that I have automatically done what? I have automatically advertised my own channel, my own video to you. Do you get that now? So how do you create playlist? You can see this place where you have create. You tap on create, Don't forget, I love ChatGPT a lot, so go to ChatGPT, let ChatGPT know the type of niche you are into on YouTube, then let it know that you want to create playlist and you want ideas from it. Let it give you titles you can use for your playlist, and let it give you description you can use for your playlist as well. You can include hashtags, about 2 hashtags at the title and about 3 hashtags at the beneath of your description. The description of the playlist must not be too long, so let me just show you. You can see where you have new playlist. You tap on new playlist, you put the title of the playlist here, you put the description of the playlist here, and you put the hashtags. Please don't do mistakes of setting languages. When you're done, just tap OK. You can create as much as you can. On my channel I have about 8 playlists. Depending on the type of video I'm uploading, I put them together. For this particular video now, talking about YouTube, I have about 2 to 3 playlists where I keep those kind of videos. I create other videos about AI, so I create other playlists for that AI video. So when you watch an AI video, when you stumble on an AI video on my YouTube channel, another AI video can be suggested to you. So that is the work of playlist. If you have gained anything from this YouTube channel, please make sure you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be unveiling lot more to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.